Hello YouTube, this is Jake ROSO7 doing a follow-up on the Shark robot vacuum cleaner. In this review I wanted to go over the this little magnet strip that it comes with it. What this is it's used to prevent the machine from going into areas that you don't want it to go into. For example, you wouldn't want the machine to run into I don't know, stairs, or maybe you don't want to go underneath your sofa or your mattress. What you would do is you would take this and you would cut it to the length that you want, and then you could place it underneath certain areas to prevent it from traveling over there. It's like a magnet inside here, and the machine senses it, and then it automatically just stops going to that area. And I'll show you that in the demonstration. Also, I wanted to show how easy it is to clean the dust particles out of it. Very easy, simple to use. It's take you like 2 seconds. Very easy machine to clean out. Alright, here we are, YouTube. Here I got the Shark robot doing the demonstration of this little magnet strip, the magnet strip, and you just place it out on the floor or wherever it is that you want it to prevent from going. And this is just demonstrating this product, and it'll just back itself, will go right into here and then stop, preventing it from going to the opposite side of the carpet. Here's another demonstration of stairs and preventing it from going down the stairs. I'm just showing that how effective the strip is. See, it just automatically stops. Show it again. Goes right up to that magnet strip and stops, preventing it from going down the stairs. Alright, to clean the thing out, all you do is underneath right over here, there's a little clip. This pops up and pull this out just like that, and you can see all the stuff that this thing picks up. It's just unbelievable how much stuff this little machine can pick up. All these hairs, these all came from my dog, which it's a lot of particles. Okay? And all it does is opens up like this, and here's just so much stuff. It picks up some kind of like gum, or I don't know what the heck that is. All that stuff that this machine picks up. So all you do is just take this, grab your garbage can, throw it out. Just like that, all cleaned out. Put it right back in, popped in. That's easy as that. And just put this back in. It's all ready to go. Put it back down. And then hit the clean. Ready to go. Pick up some more stuff. Alright, so in this video we talked and discussed about the robot Shark vacuum cleaner. We went over the magnet strip, why it's an effective tool to help prevent the machine from going into areas where you wouldn't want to go, stairs, different places around your apartment or complex. We also went over how easy it is to clean it out and to put it back together. and start and clean the rest of your apartment or place or house. And we also talked about where the button is to open it up, empty it out. Very, very simple, very easy machine to use. And we also showed you how much hair, dog hair, and debris that was inside the thing. And the machine works unbelievable, at least what I think. If you want more information, check out my other video that'll show you more up on how the machine works, how it helps you out around the house, and if you want, you can click the link below if you want even more information. It's a wonderful machine. I recommend that everybody look into it and check into it and see what you guys think. Anyways, this is this video. Signing off, JakeRO SO7.